Hello, my name is Larry Burkholder, Training Manager, Digger Specialties, manufacturer of the Westbury line of aluminum railing systems. In this video, we're going to talk about how to mount the post onto a deck and the type of fasteners that you would use. So the Westbury is a tested system. Everything from the plate to the post to the railing system has all been tested by Digger Specialties to meet various different posts, meet various different codes, International Residential Code, International Builders Code, or in some cases you may not need a tested post in the backyard. So in this particular installation, this is going to be a backyard deck installation. We do not recommend a fastener by brand. Many of you are going to recognize the brand that I'm working with here, but you need a minimum 3/8 by 4 lag, and the entire length needs to be into substrate below the deck. So never are you in a situation where you just want the deck board holding your post in place. If you're using the 2-inch heavy-duty post and your post actually needs to meet International Residential Code, you would use a 3/8 by 5 lag, and again the entire length needs to be into substrate, or in some applications they may require you to purchase a identical plate, which Digger Specialties manufactures, and that would go on the underside of your blocking. So as you look at this, a stainless steel lag is preferred. It will never rust. Then there's times that you will also use this identical product, this identical plate system for a masonry installation, and you would use a 3/8 by 3 masonry fastener. Again, we're not going to specify a particular brand. That is all the responsibility of the installer to install the post to meet the code that the building inspector has required. And then of course there may be installations where the post is purchased 8 inches longer. It's called a core drill post, where you're going to drill a hole in the concrete and insert the post and level it and install the post using hydraulic cement. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.